to Ohio. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this load situated, and then we're gonna park, and we're gonna call it a day. A little done. Hopefully get a little workout in. Hey, your boy gotta shine. So let's get this right. I'm not gonna lie. I thank God for an easy load. They done gave me some hard loads back to back to back. So I'm kind of happy that I get this type of load for 1,000 miles. I'm not gonna complain. I ain't gonna complain. Check me out. All right. Y'all see what's going on? Easy load, easy load, easy load. All we gotta do is tighten this thing up and we off to Utah. I will see y'all when I see y'all. All right, y'all, here's where we at. This is our load right now. We're currently at an on-site. We at a farm right next to it. So that's what we're doing right now. We just waiting and waiting. Ain't no telling what's going to happen. So just see y'all next load.
Done take me all on red, that's some cold hold. Then you hit me late at night, you some bold out, yeah. But you already know that, yeah. And I love it when you throw that, yeah. Shawty, where you sold at, baby, where you goes at, yeah. Make it like a you be moving like a got me checking for you go next, yeah. Cupid told her keep calling. All of my feelings I'm all in. She be playing games, she spotting. Always fade away as the tape keep crossing. Steady with the
So need to sign anything? Appreciate it, dog.
Plan the date, she's stalling, think she ain't ready for me. So beware, she's scared of loving me. So beware, she's scared of commitments. So beware, she's scared of loving me. So beware, she's scared of commitments. Shawty's so delusional. Is she not the girl I used to know? What you tryna use me for? Know what you tryna prove
Alright, y'all.
for?
So this is where we at right now. We just got done. I'm finna take this on to New Hampshire. We're finna take this to New Hampshire. Hopefully it's a smooth ride. I ain't gotta deal with no roller coaster, no nothing. No car being out of place. I think I did a good job. But we'll see as, you know, as the days go by. It gotta be done by the 24th. It gotta be delivered by the 24th. It's the 21st right now, I believe. So, come with your boy. Here's the deal, right? I'm on the side of the road. They gotta deal with this tire and one of these holes, I think it's from the blue wire. And I could really go, but I only got 2 hours and 38 minutes left. There you go. All right, boy. 5 hours later, goddammit. What's up, y'all? All right, so we made it to New Hampshire. And we here next to this yellow building where they gotta put the load at. So I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm tired. I had to wake up at like 1 o'clock, bang it on out and head on over here. If anything, y'all, I suggest do not sleep on the side of the road. Do not sleep on the side of the road. Sleeping on the side of the road is like never ending traffic going on, and you know, some moments you have it where it's louder than the other. And I was like kind of like sideways because I was so close to the like a curb or something like that, and I just could not sleep at all. So I'm tired. I'm way tired. I'm tired. Oof. And now I gotta get this load off, so let's go ahead and get this load off, y'all.
So beware, she's scared of loving me. So beware, she's scared of commitments. Shawty's so delusional. Is she not the girl I used to know? What you tryna use me for? Know what you tryna bruise me for? Cause you give me late night, tell me come over. Wanna get some then dip, I know, yeah. Crazy thing I still come over. Crazy thing I'm still so beware, she's scared of loving me. So beware, she's scared of commitments. So beware, she's scared of loving me. So beware.
Alright, y'all. Here's what we looking. We got some cords. We got 11 of them things. All right. Now we're gonna do it right this time. Last time, you know, yeah, whatever. So we're gonna put our edge protectors. We're gonna put one strap on each one on, because one of them don't really weigh that much. It's like 1,000 a piece. So we good with one strap. We're gonna put 11 of them on, edge protectors, all that, and we're gonna be all right. Now we staying here for the night. We only got like 2 hours left, so we gonna call it a night. Once we get done with this load, we gonna chill out. We probably might just bobtail to Planet Fitness and chill, probably get a little workout in, and let that be that. Other than that, let's enjoy this ride. Let's strap. But other than that, let's enjoy the ride. Let's strap this load up and let's be good. So we are currently we actually just made it to Tennessee. So we got a couple miles away. And that is that. I managed to get to Virginia yesterday from all the way to Connecticut. I believe so. Rhode Island, I was up top. So I made it.
What's up, big dog?
What? Is that serious? Ew.
Oh, no.
That's crazy.
How you doing?
How the fuck was I gonna meet you today?
God.
Ew.
Day 4.
All right, y'all. What a beautiful truck. All right. So we already delivered the load. We clear. Ain't nothing else for us to worry about. But man, that was kind of like one of the hardest loads that I had to deliver. One of the hardest loads. It wasn't even that hard. It was just more so 650 miles that just had to be done in the span of 3 days. That took a minute. I don't think I've ever done that before. There's sometimes there've been like 600, 400, maybe 300 at the tops, but 600 straight. So that was probably like the toughest thing that I had to go through. Like I said, that one came from Massachusetts all the way down to Texas. So we in Texas right now. I think we're gonna sleep in for the day. There ain't gonna be another load yet, so I'm pretty sure we just chilling for the moment, for the time being. But that's it for this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I did try to do a couple things different, you know, a couple little motions, you know, things that be going on for the truck drivers. You know, there'll be a lot that be going on for the truck drivers, and I kind of wanted to show y'all the this. Like I had to sleep on the side of the road a couple times, go to the rest area, do my thing. I ran into my boy, what's his name? Renee. I ran into my boy Renee, you know. Alongside, man, it was a good journey. It was a good journey, it was a good trip, and I'm glad to kind of like get that over with. On to the next one. I think we're going home this week. It's very tight out here. But we gotta get this out the way. So look, y'all be safe. All my truckers and truckers, man, hope y'all having a good time. I hope y'all enjoying the road. And we'll see y'all next episode.